Welcome friends to your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Love. Curry leaf, Meta neem as it is called in Hindi. It is found in Himalayan region of Asian continent. India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Indonesia and South China. It is used in India from ancient time. The wet and the dry leaves of it we use in vegetables, pulses to add delicious fragrance to foods. This green chlorophyll enriched plant a must have in every kitchen. Some people grow it in pots, some people grow it in terrace gardens. This plant develops a big system of roots on well developed leaves with plenty of green. Now let me speak about the chemical compounds. The leaves contain folic acid. They are rich in antioxidants, carbohydrates, calcium, phosphorus, thiamine and chloroplast. Bark contains carbazole, alkaloids, carboxylic acid, etc. Now let me come to the benefits of curry leaf. Curry leaf is an excellent remedy for headache. Grind its flowers and make a paste to apply on head. Within 2 hours, you will get relief from the pain. But avoid direct sunlight. Next, those who have problem of black disease, apply the juice. Apply 2 times in a day around your eyes while it clears your eyes. Avoid direct sunlight as this will cause eyes to burn, or use sunglasses to protect your eyes. Next, third very important benefit is mouth disease. Take 500 ml water and 50 gram leaves. Boil till it remain 125 ml. After that, cool down the remaining water. Gargle it twice a day up to 1 week to get rid of mouth disease. It is beneficial to many types of mouth and throat problems. Next, in the same problem, those who have mouth odor, its leaves are used as a refreshing mouth freshener. It cleans and gives you a fantastic fresh breath, thereby counteracting bad mouth odor. Take 2 to 3 curry leaves after meals and chew well. The juices also aid in digestion. Brush your teeth after meals to ensure optimum mouth hygiene. Next, those who have phlegm disorder, take 10 gram leaves juice, mix with same amount of honey. Eat twice a day after meal. Continue this process till you eliminate phlegm completely. Always use lukewarm water and gargle hot water with the rock salt. Please do not consume any freezer items. And it is good for phlegm disorder. And those who don't understand what is phlegm, it is a mucus that comes during heavy cold cough from your nose. Next major benefit is those who suffer from indigestion, vomiting and diarrhea. Take 30 ml of leaf juice and add 15 ml lemon juice and 1 tablespoon sugar. Combine together and have 1 tablespoon on empty stomach morning and evening after meal. This prevents nausea, indigestion and acidity. If you want to attain maximum result, continue this process for 1 week diligently. Avoid tea and dairy products 1 hour after having this mixture. Next, diarrhea. Those who suffer from diarrhea, take 2 to 4 fruits of curry leaf and grind finely. Drink the lukewarm water every day, twice a day for 2 days. This rids diarrhea completely. Avoid dairy products when you have diarrhea as this contains microbials and probiotics that affects the colon. Next, those who suffer from stomach pains, take 50 gram curry leaf root, crush this root and boil in 200 ml of water. Allow the water to reduce to 50 ml and mix 1 gram of powdered ginger and mix well. Consume 1 tablespoon every morning after breakfast and evening after dinner. This will give you relief from pain and discomfort. This will also eliminate toxins and allow for a clear bowel movement. It also relieves bloating and gas. Next major benefit is for stabilizing stomach aches and other disorders. Having 10 ml of its juice taken with lukewarm water morning and evening before meals on empty stomach alleviates all types of stomach problems. Yeah, there is a precaution: avoid consumption of alcohol when having this juice. Next, those who suffer from white discharge. Yeah, those who have problems of white discharge, every day chew 5 curry leaves to eliminate white discharge, preferably taken on empty stomach in the morning. This plays a role of antibiotic and anti-inflammatory agent. It clears the urinary tracts and gets rid of all forms of bacteria and odor. Next, those who suffer from fever, combine 20 gram of curry leaves together with a pinch of turmeric powder into 200 ml of water. Bring this to a boil until it reduces to 50 ml. Consume 1 tablespoon twice a day with the lukewarm water. This relieves your body all types of aches and pains associated with fever. It also heals mouth ulcers which occur as a result of high fever. And next very important use is teething problems for little children. Take fresh curry leaves fruit and extract 5 ml juice mixed together with 2 ml of lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and create a paste that is gently rubbed onto the toddler's gums to soothe pain and discomfort away. This softens the inflamed gums and gives instant relief. This can also be made into a syrup by adding 5 grams of warm water into the paste. Drink 1 tablespoon daily to strengthen bones and build strong muscles. This also eradicates fever and pain during teething in toddlers. Finally, 1 herb a day can keep the doctor away. Let me tell the general benefits of curry leaves. Use curry leaves to cook lentils, pulses, vegetables to give aromatic and delicious taste of food. Add curry leaf to any type of chutney to add flavor and fragrance. It can be utilized daily in your meals. It aids digestion and absorption of food in your body. Adding 5 to 6 curry leaves into 100 ml of coconut oil. Leave this oil for 1 week in the sunlight. Produces flavored oil. This is excellent for hair care and dandruff treatment. Take note, do not use this for cooking purpose. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Let me thank herbhomecure.blogspot.com for contributing this content. I thank Bensound Music for the background. So thank you for watching this, and take always the medical practitioner's advice before consuming any Ayurvedic product. Thank you. Have a nice day.